So when you walk into the room, this is what you see. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So if you have been subscribed to me for quite some time, you know that I have really only done arm knitting videos in the past. I'm trying to just kind of open up a little bit and have a bigger variety of videos on my channel, more things that I'm passionate about, and not just stick to knitting. If you want more of an explanation, you can go watch my announcement video that I posted just a little bit ago. So, welcome to my son's bedroom. He is almost 3 years old, and we have just collected so many toys over the past few years. I have a few of my daughter's toys in here as well, like this ball pit back here, which has a giant hole in it. Was actually for my daughter's birthday when she turned 1, and it just ended up in Ryder's room. Otherwise, this is all just my son's toys. They accumulated from birthday gifts, Christmas gifts, random gifts throughout the years when, you know, people visit, family visit, or just when we felt like buying him something random. But no, we did not buy all these toys for our kids. We'd be broke if we did that. So my goal today is to get rid of half of the toys in this room. I will have a garbage pile of all the toys that are either missing pieces, they're broken, they're just falling apart. I will have a donate pile of all the toys that they just don't really play with anymore, or that they have duplicates of. I will have a keep pile, obviously, we're going to keep some of the toys, of toys that are either new, that they play with all the time, that are really interactive for them. So I went to TJ Maxx the other day and I found these amazing giant baskets. There's this one, which is the smaller one of the two, and then there's this big one, as you can see, they're two different sizes. So at the end of this video, I would like to be able to fit all of his small toys into these two baskets, in the donate pile, in the trash pile, and that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and get started because by the time I'm done, it's probably gonna be dark. I don't even know where to start, you guys. So, these baskets, I have this one and this one. I'm just gonna dump them out because they are all broken. There's no handles on this one. They're just falling apart, and it's a choking hazard for Nora when she's in here. So, these are trash. That's why I got the new basket. I'm gonna dump these. And throw them out. We have our donate box, trash box, and what we're gonna keep. Obviously, both my kids know how to walk, so they don't need this anymore. This is gonna go. Okay, that's a start. Honestly, we got this for his 1-year birthday. Actually, we got this when he turned 2. He never plays with it. The stickers are coming off, but I feel like we can still donate this and someone can have fun with it. Donate that. So as you can see, we're like half full, in this giant basket of toys that we're gonna keep, which is really good so far. That is Nora that you hear downstairs. They are playing in the living room, supposed to be quiet. Anyway, I'm gonna keep going here. The donation bin is almost full. Trash, you know, a little bit on the bottom. So I was actually planning on getting rid of this ball pit this week because really it's just a nuisance. All these balls, they go all over the place. There's like 400 of them. Doesn't look like that many, but there's like 400 balls in here. And I was gonna get rid of it, but they started playing with it again the past couple of days. So they looked like they were having fun, so I'm gonna go ahead and leave it in here. But one thing I'm gonna get rid of is this red ball, because there's no need to have two big red balls and it's losing air, so that's trash. I am going to get rid of this racetrack that's underneath. He never really played with it that much, and he actually got a rubber mat from his grandparents, so I'm going to roll this up and donate it. So I wanted to show you what we have here. I am pretty much all done with this room. We have an entire huge box of donations. We have a box here of trash. I didn't even fill this basket, you guys. I still have, don't mind Nora in the background, she's getting a little fussy, but still have the smaller basket I didn't even use. So if you remember the before, I could barely walk into the doorway. And that was just from 2 afternoons of playing with toys. And it's so clean, there is so much space, oh my goodness. I'm gonna get to painting this in the upcoming weeks. You can say hi. Cheese. Yeah. Come sit. Alright guys, so that is it for today's video. We got a huge box together. I'm talking to the camera. Okay, he's looking at me funny because he's not used to this, but he's gonna get used to it. I'm gonna be filming a lot. Anyway, we got a huge box of things that I'm gonna donate. I'm super excited about that. A little bit of trash to throw out. And I organized all their toys, so I'm super excited. They came in here, they were excited. You saw them running around. They always do that when I'm vacuuming, but he was saying, "Oh wow, what's this?" when he saw the basket. So anyway, this was a fun video to film. I'm going to do more like this if you want. So, want to get down or get up? Yeah, the camera. Please comment below and let me know what you want me to film in the future. This is going to be a part of the Live Simply series of decluttering, organizing, getting rid of stuff that you don't need, Ryder. And you know what? This is going to be how some of my videos, or this is going to be, you know, how some of my videos are, because I have 2 kids, a 3-year-old and a 1-year-old, and they're busy kids. Here's your baby. You don't want the baby? So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Anyway, that's it for today's video, you guys. I will see you in my next one. Bye!